I'm Scott Bennett. Welcome to another episode of In the Field with McKim and Creed. We're here on the South County Potable Water Transmission Main in Hillsborough County, Florida.
The South County Potable Water Transmission Project is one of many being implemented by Hillsborough County as part of the One Water Campus program to ensure reliable, resilient, and sustainable service in southern Hillsborough County. This particular project involves 10.5 miles of 42 and 48-inch water transmission main from the Big Bend Balm Riverview intersection to US 301 and State Road 674. To maintain schedule, start construction as early as possible, and to keep the construction crews rolling, we designed and permitted the project in 5 segments. Each segment presented its own unique challenges, and today we're going to visit 3 of them in the field, including a 66-inch jack and bore, installation of a 48-inch water transmission main beneath triple 66-inch CMP storm drains, and a temporary swift bridge that was required to allow pipe and equipment deliveries to get across an environmentally sensitive area.
So one of the interesting aspects of this project is the number of roadway crossings that take place. We're using trenchless technology, the jack and bore method, to install a 66-inch casing below the roadway so as not to interrupt traffic. And the casing will carry our carrier pipe, the transmission main for this project. So now we're at a pipe placement area of the project. And as part of our scope of services, we take shots on the pipe, fittings, valves, etc. That gives them the location, the elevation. That gets put into our final record drawings. And also it gets put into the county asset management system. When you look down the clear area, the construction area, it gives you a good indication of the magnitude of this project, the size of it. So now we're at the entrance to ELAP. This is Michael Gibson with Westra Construction. Michael, would you give us an overview of what's going on behind us?
We just installed the 48-inch duct iron pipe underneath and through where there's a triple 66-inch CMP storm crossing. At the moment, the crews are digging out the existing CMP before we tie the new CMP back together.
One of the more interesting aspects of this project is the installation of this temporary bridge. This allows the creek to continue to flow and gives us access to the future horizontal directional drill, which is going to take place just over in this area.
For the critical part of that bridge is that it doesn't have any piers, so it can be designed with the lowest portion of the bridge above the high water table, meaning there's zero impact to floodways, which is exactly what the permitting department wanted to see.
What you're seeing now is one of our pipe installations. We're installing the pipe towards the creek, and as we approach the creek, we'll utilize 45-degree fittings to go below the creek, minimizing the impact to the creek. And that way we won't disturb the creek and its natural flow. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of In the Field with McKim and Creed. We'll see you on the next one.